Hello everyone, so I'm Junchong Fan. So this is my presentation too. Uh, so today I'm going to talk about the comparison between critique article and the thesis I found. So, so first I will introduce the background a little bit. So the critique article and the thesis I found is talking about the EMI filter. The filter is used to eliminate the noise interference in electrical power converters. This is a very specific research topic in our field, and the critique article is more focused on the filter itself, talking about the performance and calculation method of the filter. But the thesis is extend the research topic to the application, the background, and uh, and some related research topics of the EMI filter. So, and then I will talk about the outline of my comparison. So first, I will compare the structural overlap and the difference between the critique article and the thesis. And then I will introduce the contribution of the I will analyze the contribution of critique article and thesis, and then I will talk about strengths and weaknesses of the critique article and thesis. So, um, about structural overlap. So it is very clear that both of them are using traditional three-stage structure, which is quite straightforward and clear. Uh, the three-stage structure includes introduction, analysis, and summary. Also, because they are both of them are engineering papers, so the emphasis is on analysis and comparison on mathematical and experimental results. And this is the key points in engineering papers. So about the structural difference, so they have different focusing points. So the critique article mainly focuses on one specific topic, that is the EMI filter itself. So you can see the review part of the critique article is focused on the topology of the filters, and the analytical part of the critique article is about the calculation and the comparison of one specific type of EMI filter. But the thesis features more focusing points on relative research, and also the layout are different, with much bigger text size. Thesis contains more layers than critique articles, which covers more research area. And then let's talk about the contribution. The critique is more focusing on a certain part of the entire research field. The field summarizes multiple papers in this field and gives us a guideline, and the analytical paper conducts a detailed analysis on one specific example in the review paper. But with much bigger research scope, the thesis gives us both a detailed and comprehensive view of this field. It is beneficial to see out of box with more than one research focuses. And then let's talk about strengths. The critique provides a very clear view on structure and key points on specific research areas. The review part is not trapped by technical details, and the analytic parts provide rigorous calculation and analysis. The thesis contains the author's understanding of this research area and the related research topics. The detailed and comprehensive analysis helps further study on this field, because the EMI filter itself is very small part of the entire power electronics research. So, and the thesis contains his entire PhD career's understanding and calculations and analysis and comparison of his own work. So it will helps authors to have a better understanding of the entire research area. But let's talk about the weaknesses of those two articles. So the explanation of the design process in the critique is not very clear. The paper doesn't discuss the equations, and the explanations of the parameters is also missing. So it will cause confusions, cause readers confusions. But due to the huge span on the research field, there are some misalignment among different sections, and in-depth understanding is needed to figure out the connection between each research topics for the thesis.